An algae energy harvester can sustainably power devices for a year by itself. The size of an AA battery, a revolutionary algae-based energy harvester, has been developed. We'll need to get inventive with our energy sources as the number of electronic gadgets grows. The researchers have now demonstrated how an algae energy harvester can utilize sunlight to power a microprocessor for more than a year without the need for human intervention. In a number of ways, algae will play an important part in future green technologies. It has the ability to produce hydrogen, purify wastewater, remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, create the base for biofuels, and generate electricity through photosynthesis. Algae are natural solar cells that convert solar energy into chemical energy, as well as water and carbon dioxide, into organic compounds. Throughout the process, electrons are produced, which may be collected and utilized to power electrical devices. In the novel algae energy harvester, which was about the size of an AA battery, a species of blue-green algae was placed in a tiny container with some water. Electrons are collected by an aluminum electrode, then transferred to power a low-power ARM Cortex CPU, which is commonly used in Internet of Things, IoT, devices. The researchers placed the gadget running in a household setting under semi-outdoor settings, which is a balcony or a porch, where it consistently supplied energy to the CPU over time. Despite the fact that the research only covers the first 6 months, they claim it is still going strong after a year. They were astounded by the system's consistency over time. They anticipated it to stop after a few weeks, yet it just kept going. According to the researchers, the device may even generate electricity in the dark, indicating that the algae can save some of its food for later processing. Although the algae-based energy harvester produces a small amount of electricity, it is sufficient for the expanding number of Internet of Things devices. These devices, which are comprised of low-cost and common components and last far longer than standard lithium batteries, might be a more environmentally friendly power source, especially in remote locations.